So basically, yesterday my mom started crying where I am. So I dialed 999 emergency, and basically for paramedics ambulance because she said she can't take no more and her chest is hurting. So two officers attend um, from Colindale police station. One was Casey and one was Tom. Basically, after analyzing the situation, etc., me and my mother, yeah, two separate police cars, yeah, went to a hospital. Don't know which one, yeah. But before we went, yeah, an officer named D, yeah, I know as Miss Patel from Wembley Police Station. I've known her for 15 to 18 odd years, yeah, at Wembley Police Station. Right now, this officer speaks Gujarati, yeah, and she works at Colindale Police Station. So she attended the property where I am, and basically she spoke to my mum, this and that. But when they took me to the hospital, basically my mental health deteriorates regardless of what I do in life. Yeah? However, so we've made two reports because the police didn't act on it. Yeah, I have two CAD references. My mum started crying and she said, basically, police don't help me and they don't help you. I said, I know, mum. I know everything. Yeah. However, so basically, so my mum is living with this abuse, the violent situation with my so-called sister, her daughter, for the last 7 years. So apparently, Miss Patel from Collingham Police Station, yeah, known as D, rang my mother, yeah, after they were trying to pin me down and section me. They couldn't arrest me because I didn't do anything out of the ordinary for them to even arrest me. So they did put handcuffs and they sectioned me. So for the last 24 hours to 12 hours, I was at Chase Farm Hospital, so a mental hospital. They locked me up, not prison, but like prison, for 24 hours. I got assessed by three doctors, smart just like me. Spoke to me for 45 minutes. And basically, I told them everything I've gone through in life. I got abused as a child at the age of 5, maybe even 7, 8. I've seen my mom get abused when I was a kid. So basically, when someone physically touches me, whether it's the police or anybody else, I don't like it. I've been locked in the toilet, the garden, cupboard at the age of 8. By somebody who brought me into this world. However, God bless him. So anyway, so my mum got assistance, and basically I have done nothing wrong in life. Seriously. My duty is to look after my mum. And anything I bring into this world, I have to think about and bring it the person up right. Although I may have not seen them for 17 odd years. Mom, I love you. And Dylan, I love you. If you know me, and if you really, really know me, I don't fight family, siblings, blood related. If you've worked out, I'm fighting the system, abuse, neglect. Sister and baby mother, why? Sister, we share the same mother. Baby mother, you're the mother of my child. I'm harmless. Like my mum, wouldn't even hurt a fly. But what comes out of my mouth hurts people. But what can I do? I love life. I love God. I pray every day for a better day. My mother means the world to me. Just like the Queen in the UK, for whoever will see this, yeah. My mother is my queen. She brought me into this world when I was a child. She looked after me, cared for me, and fed me. My mother is 70 years of age, elderly, partially deaf. I would do anything for you, Mom. Anything. I spent 11 years in Wormwood Scrubs to want to see my child. My child. That's not a crime in certain countries, but in UK it is. I didn't hit my ex-wife. I didn't beat her. I didn't even touch her. Yeah, I was abusive. My mouth is my mouth. However, my sister started learning from my baby mother to get court orders, injunctions. No problem. Why though? The police can't even protect your mum from you. So, do you think they can protect you from me? Obviously not. I've been sectioned. I'm like Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi Baba. Nelson Mandela. These two people, you see when they speak, they lock them up. Why? I'm like them. My voice, when I speak, they lock me up. If they can't handcuff me and put me in a police station, they put invisible handcuffs on my mouth, try to medicate me, and so I'm not able to think. But guys, this is just one individual situation that I'm fighting, and I'm putting everything on YouTube, yeah, for you guys, yeah. I don't need no likes or views, yeah. I do this to make people know what I'm going through in life, what I've had to go through, and what I'm dealing with and suffering, yeah. God bless you. They sectioned me, and I'm here with you right now. I'm not mental, so don't get it twisted.